Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name is Michelle, and for today's video, I wanted to share with you what's inside my Miu Miu Aventure bag and just what can fit inside in general. This is the Aventure bag in the size large in this beautiful olive suede color. Right now, this bag is packed for me to go to the coffee shop, so let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Alright, this bag is actually pretty spacious. I was really surprised to see that this one could fit a 13-inch laptop. This is my MacBook Pro inside of the Louis Vuitton Etui Voyage. I wouldn't say that this pouch is protective at all. It's basically just canvas. But it is so pretty. Just know that it's not protective at all, so if you're thinking about getting it, it's basically just a bougie laptop case. Anyways, next up we have my planner. I am ready for 2026. Inside, I will be using the A5 binder insert from the Line Shop, which is really cool because this is the Louis Vuitton desk agenda cover, which doesn't have rings, but when you use it with this insert, you can have a ring system. I have a bunch of inserts from the Line Shop, so this one's one of my favorites. It's the weekly plan. I also have the Habanishi in here. Some other inserts that I'm excited to use would be the daily priorities, the weekly planner, just normal grid paper I love, and meeting notes and some other note paper. This last year I did have a Louis Vuitton dated agenda, but this year I'll be going undated and really excited about doing so. And if I wasn't carrying my desk agenda cover, I probably would have a book inside there instead. This one is the Let Them Theory by Mel Robbins. I am almost done. I have just been reading this one a little bit slower because I really want to understand what she's saying. And this is so far a really great book. I highly recommend it if you're thinking about reading it. Let's see, we still have a few more things. This is my Louis Vuitton Cosmetic pouch, and inside I just have a bunch of random things that I kind of forgot what I have in here. We have Dior blotting sheets, we have Chanel lotion, more lotion, but this one is from L'Occitane. This one is a little lip balm. My friend got it for me from Japan. This is the Louis Vuitton lip balm, which I have grown to like. At first I thought it really didn't do anything, but it really feels nice on the lips, and I really love this magnetic closure. It's like one of my favorite things. After that, I have this little hair taming wand from IGK Hair. This is actually from TikTok Shop, and it's actually such a good product. I love having it in my bag because I do love a slick back bun, and it's just so helpful. And then I also have some wipes from Phil's Barbecue, and then a panty liner. So yeah, I love this little pouch. I either use this one or my mini pochette, but since it's a bigger bag, this cosmetic pouch fits nice inside, and I can carry a few more things. So yeah, I got this one in Paris, and I have a more in-depth video about this one in case you're interested. And then next we have my Miu Miu blue light glasses. This one is a pretty bulky case, as you can see, but inside it has my blue light glasses and then a little cleaning case. And I got these ones from the Desert Hills Premium Outlets at the Prada store because they sell Miu Miu there, and I just really love these ones. They have like Miu Miu on the sides, and I really like that, so I bought them, and they're one of my favorite purchases. And inside of this bag we do have a nice fabric lining. We have two pockets here, which I'm currently not using, and then on this side we have a zippered pocket where I keep my wallet and my car key. This one is the Dior Mert zip key case, and this is my Mercedes-Benz key. And inside of here I hold just like some folded up cash and then like a lot of different cards. I used to not carry that many cards, so I could put this inside of here, but I carry a lot of cards now, so this one just holds all my cards. And that's pretty much everything that I carry inside of this bag and what can fit. So it's really nice to know that the 13-inch laptop can fit inside of this bag. And when you have it inside of here too, it doesn't show even when the bag is not slouched, which was a really nice surprise. And you can carry your books, you can carry your planner, a lot of random things inside of here. And just note that this handles are pretty comfortable over the shoulder, so you won't have any problems carrying this over the shoulder, especially when your bag is heavy. Also, I love the drop of the handles because it's nice when you have like a thicker sweater on or a jacket or a coat. It's really comfortable to wear over the shoulder. And also this bag, I am 5'1", like 5'2", for example. So when I'm wearing this and I'm holding it by the hand, just on the side of me, it doesn't hit the floor either. So that was also a plus for me as well. And as you can see, this bag is pretty slouchy, effortless. So when I am not using the bag, I should probably get like a pillow or something for it, but this will do. This is the stuffing that it came with. It's just tissue paper. And I like to stuff my bag before I store it back on my shelf. So it helps keep its shape, as you can see here. And here is where I store it on my shelf, in case you were wondering. You know, I haven't done an updated shelfie video in so long. So yeah, let me know if you want to see that too. And I have used this bag a few times already, so I'm really impressed with this bag so far. Here's what the back looks like, and yes, it does have feet on the bottom, but do they really help and protect the bottom of the bag? I'm not sure, just because it's so long. I feel like the bottom, or at least like the middle parts here, still touch the table or whatever I'm placing it down on. But yeah, I love this bag. It's the Miu Miu Aventure Bag, again in the size large. Let me know if you have any other questions about this handbag, or honestly any of the pieces that I showed. I'll be happy to talk more about it or answer your questions in the comments below. But yeah, I think that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!